Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to show you how to retrieve missing or deleted Steam game saves in just 5 minutes. Whether your files were erased by mistake or just vanished mysteriously, there is no need to worry. By following these simple steps, you can restore your progress and resume playing exactly where you stopped. Start by launching the Steam client on your computer. Ensure your internet connection is active, as it is required for several of the steps we will cover. Once the app is open, find the Login button in the upper right corner. If you aren't signed in yet, click it and enter your account name and password. Double-check your credentials to prevent login errors. Then hit the Sign In button to reach the Steam home screen. From the main page, head over to the Library tab and select Home from the drop-down menu. This displays your full game collection. Scroll through to find the specific title you need to recover and click on it. You will see several options for the game. Locate the cloud icon, which represents your cloud storage. Click this to see if your save data is stored online. If it is, you can download and recover your files immediately. If that doesn't work, try this alternative method. Right-click the game title in your library and choose Properties. In the new window, go to the Updates tab. Make sure Steam Cloud Synchronization is enabled. This feature automatically saves your data to the cloud, protecting your progress from unexpected loss. If you're still having trouble, there is one final option. Click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the application. Select Backup and Restore Games from the list. Follow the prompts to use any manual backups you've previously created with Steam's utility. That covers it. Following these methods should help you easily recover your lost Steam saves. It is always a good idea to back up your data regularly, either manually or via the cloud, to prevent future issues. Enjoy your gaming, and I hope you get your progress back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.